Alright, so here we've set up a two-way audio setup, and on the back of the DVR we have a microphone that's connected into audio 1. This DVR happens to have actually the same number of audio inputs as video inputs, so it has 8, but channel 1 is your audio input, and I have a little microphone connected to it. This is a powered microphone. It's our additional add-on security camera microphone. I've powered it and running an RCA cable to the back of audio port 1, and out of the audio out, I have a RCA cable going through, and this is your speaker out for bidirectional talk. I have this actually going into a computer that I've set up because I don't have actual speakers to test this with, but I did a contraption so that I can go into the microphone jack of my laptop, and that laptop will serve as a speaker. So you'll hear in the background I have some noises going on, and I'll show you how the two-way audio works. So for example, first to actually listen into audio from, let's say this camera was mounted somewhere and you have the microphone next to it, you can listen into that person using this microphone. And here I have my camera and I have my microphone. By pressing this button, I can choose to listen to audio coming out of the microphone at the person's location. I press this. Testing 1, 2, 3. Just to show you that this microphone works, I'm just tapping it. So now if I want to talk back to somebody, just to show you that you can actually talk back through your phone, I'm going to disconnect the microphone, so I'm not getting that feedback. And now if you'll listen closely, you don't hear that sort of echo anymore. I'm going to press this button here, and anything I say into the cell phone or into my headset gets relayed through the speakers of the laptop. So I'm just going to turn on the volume. Testing 1, 2, 3. Testing 1, 2, 3. So that's pretty much our test to show you that how you can set up bidirectional talk. So you've got to make sure you have speakers, a speaker and a microphone at the location of the camera where you want two-way to happen, and then your input, your control, is going to be your app on your phone or on your iPad, or you could even do this through the web-based menu of the NVR if you're connected to it with a proper headset. That'll work on through Internet Explorer, Windows 7 or Windows 10 computer.